Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome friends to this tutorial and let's start with it. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about menus. Okay, menus. It's really a good thing to learn. What is menu? Menu is this area. Yep, see this area. And as you can see in our menu, in my menu 1 I have page and custom. This is home page and about page, but according to what I can see, I don't see the home page in here. Let me just, no, there is no home page. So how to make it appear? First of all, you need to get rid of this. After that, okay, sorry, I had to teach you the way. What is it actually? So this is the menu that they have given us. I want to create a new menu first of all, so I will just leave this page. I'll create a new menu and call it NotesAndSoft. Menu name doesn't matter, and I'll say create menu. After menu has been created, I want to auto add pages and navigation, theme, location, navigation menu, and I want to do this menu. Actually, not auto add, I'll add them by myself. Add them by myself. So I'll save. And first of all, I want to add the about menu. Secondly, I want to a link, for example, a home page, home, and in the home I'll just copy this, so it will become a home page when they click on it, and add menu. And that menu should be going here. And that's all. I think I'll just save the changes. After saving the changes, I'll just refresh this page and this should appear. As you can see, this is really easy, and I can add a couple of pages like that. For example, I didn't want to add a new page like Facebook. I will add it. This is a custom, means it's not a real page. There's, as you can see, there is custom and there is page, which it's not a real page. It has been customized, means created by you using links or some other section. For example, I can add categories, add pages, add links as pages, add pages, add page as pages, add pages as pages. Yeah, that's the same thing. And now I can just save my menu again. After saving my menu, I will just go refresh it, and boom, here you go. I've created 3 menus and it's really working. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. No, actually, I want to make it bigger, so I'm gonna go to the pages section. I want to add a new page. Well, no, actually, let's just go to pages section itself, and all the pages I have right now. I should have one page which is about, as you can see. And if I go in the appearance menus again, in the pages section, it tells me I have one page and they are correct. And I want to add a new page, and the new page is about let's say notes and soft video tutorials. I'm gonna copy it and keep pasting. Yeah, and I can just, I'll make this bigger because I don't like small videos tutorials. So I can, in here I can just this is the name of your page. This tells what is the name of your page. This is permalink. Permalink is something, a link. For example, if I click on about, this is a link of about page. About appears on it. So it also has a link. For example, I want it to be notes and soft. Okay, so whenever I type this from here to here, it redirect me to this page. What am I teaching you? It's really a simple thing you should know. Okay, add a media. I can add media, for example, create a gallery from media. Actually, I have this image, so I'll use this one. I have no time to. I can edit this image, as you can see, and have fun with it. How to edit it, for example, make it like 60% and edit title, for example, testing image, caption, testing, blah blah blah, and just I can go to advanced settings and change its width and height. I want it to be 200 by 100, and it's CSS class, and I can style blah 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 blah. You can check this out, and these are things advanced link setting. This is link, I mean this is linking to make it a link, so I don't want to make it a link, so I'll just update it. I can add poll is not an important thing. I can add a contact form, which is also not an important thing. Adding these are things, these two are things which will just create a page, special page for content, blah blah blah. If I'll just tell you what is poll. Let's see what is poll actually. Come on, yeah, poll. First of all, you need to create, and if you go to create poll now, this is what it will look like, these things. And actually I don't like it, and I think you need to pay money, not pay money, you need to put actually buy these things or pay for these things. And if you can go in here, for example, I can make this thing a heading, well, that all of it became heading. Control, okay, let's just this thing heading, yeah, this can become heading. Actually I think I have this underlined it, and let's say I want to change its color. It's paste as plain text pasting, and remove formatting, stuff like that. You can make it a link. If anyone clicks on it, he will be directed to google.com. .uk, and stuff like that. You can check this thing out also out, showing likes. What I am doing in these tutorials is not to make an expert on this. I'm making you familiar with these things, what you can do. That's all. So I can preview it, save it as draft. As you can, draft is something which is in your pocket and which is not visible to people, and publish is something which is visible to people, and preview is something which is just visible to you when it's in pocket. So you can preview it to see how will it look like. You haven't saved it, you haven't published it, you are just previewing it. So I want to publish it. After publishing it, let me check, let me see what will happen. Published. I will refresh this page. As you can see, it has been published, so I want to refresh this page, and according to me nothing happens. Okay, let's go to the appearance menus section and click on automatically add on pages on top, blah blah blah, and new top level pages to this menu. When I do that, so what will happen? Let's check it out. I think nothing will happen because now it's not a new page, it has been published. Nothing happens. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna click on this, add new. As you can see, it appears on the pages section, means it's a real page, it's not a custom page, and I can save changes. And I can feel actually this is really fast. The thing I am teaching you, it is really fast, The reason it is really fast because these are fast tutorials, and I want you to get those who are familiar but don't remember, who have done these things, can come in here, or who are um, familiar with even other platforms like WordPress and things like that, are good to go with this course. Okay guys, I have shown to you how to work with pages area, I'm sorry, menus area, pages area, copy a page. You can say you can copy a page, a similar page, you can copy it. For example, copy this. You can copy pages, but that's not a good thing. Okay, thank you guys. You have today in this section you have learned about menus and pages section. Thank you guys, and Allah Hafiz.